Make 2024 a different year and start it in a different way. Dream big. Set a comprehensive goal for the year. What is the biggest goal you want to achieve this year? Divide the goal into smaller objectives, either by breaking it down with the Dream Big section or distributing it across the 12 months. Then, visualize yourself and write down in a few sentences what you imagine yourself accomplishing when you reach this goal. A letter to yourself. Write a letter to your future self in 2025, detailing the things you want to have achieved when you read that letter, your dreams, feelings, desires. Put everything you envision in that letter, hoping to finish 2024 having accomplished it. Then start setting goals for the first month of this year. Goal of the month. Set clear goals for the first month. Don't get too excited and set unrealistic goals from the beginning to avoid frustration and demotivation. It's best to set achievable goals initially, then progressively work towards more significant objectives. After setting the goal, distribute it over the days of the month so that you have a clear plan from the beginning about how this month will progress. Monthly planning. Develop a clear plan for the month with all the things that need to be accomplished. It will help you have a clear vision for the month and set its direction. Randomness only brings randomness, while planning brings planned results. Plan your month to be informed about the course of its days and have a comprehensive view of it. Weekly planner. Plan your week and distribute all the tasks you need to accomplish during this week so that you don't end up with accumulated tasks by the end of the week. It helps in avoiding continuous postponement, thinking you'll be able to complete the tasks later. Then start planning your day. Daily planning. Divide those tasks and distribute them throughout your day. Specify 3 priorities for the day and write down everything you need to do. Set a specific time period for each part of your day. It's better to have planned tasks for the next day before the current day ends, so you wake up with your mind organized with the approach for tomorrow. Don't forget to evaluate your day and review it before going to bed. Budget. Set your monthly budget, calculate expenses, and allocate a specific amount for each category of your expenses. This way, you'll be well aware of the expenses required from you, helping you save money for the first time. And if you did something for the first time, whether you fear it or feel embarrassed about it, something requiring courage to do for the first time, write it in the "for the first time" section. This way, you will build confidence, belief, and courage to challenge your limits and progress towards more. Plant happiness. If someone smiled because of you, or you offered help to someone in need, prevented harm in someone's way, or any good deed you planted, put a flower in the Plant Happiness field to see at the end of the year the amount of positive impact and happiness you managed to plant in this world. Month review. After the end of each month, don't forget to evaluate your month, question yourself, review your performance, the level of your progress, the percentage of goal completion, and set a new goal for the new month. The Digital Planner by Onitplan. More than just a planner,